Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by clearing space and protecting surfaces so you can work quickly and avoid mistakes. Once floors are covered with drop cloths, remove outlet covers and label screws to save time later. Make sure to tape trim carefully. This prevents bleed. Next, stir the paint until uniform and strain out lumps. Pour a small amount into a tray so you can reload often. Begin with a 2-3 angled brush for corners, cutting in at a steady, controlled pace. This sets the boundary for efficient rolling. Once cut in, you switch to the roller and focus on consistent application. Load the roller until it's saturated but not dripping. Press out excess on the tray. Roll in a W or M motion across 3-4 foot sections, filling the pattern before smoothing to spread paint without streaks. Make sure to maintain a wet edge so new passes blend into previous ones. This prevents lap marks. After filling, lightly back-roll the area to even texture and sheen. Pause periodically to reload and inspect for missed spots. You finish by checking the surface for drips, thin spots, or roller marks and address them quickly. Remove painter's tape when paint is tacky, not fully dry to prevent peeling. Pull at a 45 degrees angle. If you see thin areas, touch them with a small brush using the same stroke direction to blend. Clean brushes and rollers immediately per paint type and reseal leftover paint tightly for later. Troubleshooting tip: if you get visible lap marks, lightly sand the area when dry and recoat, maintaining a wet edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.